Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to view all the videos shared in a WhatsApp group. Whether it's a fun clip or an important video, this quick guide will help you easily find everything that's been shared in the group. Let's dive in. The first step is to open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure your app is updated to get the latest features and improvements. Once WhatsApp is open, head over to the group where you want to view all the shared videos. Now that you're in the group, tap the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group info page, where you can find various settings, participant details, and media shared within the group. Once you're on the group info page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Media, Links, and Docs. Tap on this section, and you'll be taken to a new screen where all the media files shared in the group are organized. Here, you'll find all the videos that have been sent in the group. And that's it. You can now scroll through the videos, watch them, download them, or share them with others. It's that simple to access all the videos shared in your WhatsApp group. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated with more WhatsApp tips and tricks.